Expand your travels. Connect bigger. We're MiniZag, a group of engineers and designers who wanted to create an ultra-light, foldable electric bicycle that accelerates your commute, packs down small, and is powerful enough to keep you sweat-free and maintain your professional look. This is the MiniZag Ultra, designed for portability, power, and convenience. We set out to make our bike as lightweight and compact as possible. Composed of magnesium alloy, the entire vehicle weighs only 15 kilograms, almost half the weight of our aluminum-bodied competitors. But we knew weight was only half the equation for portability. The MiniZag Ultra employs our industry-leading folding technology to reduce its size for easy storage and transport. With a minute folding size, it can easily be stored wherever you are, leaving you the space to do what you enjoy. The time you spend is important, and we want to give you as much of it as possible. We employ a high-end Akima torque motor with a power output 30% higher than most motors in its class. Using clean, green energy, we invite you to effortlessly get to where you want to be. The MiniZag Ultra has 3 driving modes, which can be accessed through our LCD control panel on the handlebars. The first, a free-use bicycle function with gears that allow you to increase your speed up to 4 times. The second mode is power assisted, in which the motor automatically kicks in after 1.5 rotations of the pedals to share the workload with your legs and reach a maximum speed of 55 kilometers per hour. The third is pure electric, controlled by the rotary throttle and enabling you to reach a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. It's important to us that you not only explore your community, but journey farther. With our 36-volt lithium battery, you can travel up to 30 kilometers on a single 3.5-hour charge. For those longer journeys, our patented double-strand cushion is ergonomically designed for both comfort and anti-fatigue to give you a more effortless ride. As with all of our vehicles, we designed the MiniZag Ultra to keep you as safe as possible. With a dual-wheel braking system, a bright LED headlight, and a completely waterproof design, you can be confident riding in all conditions. So if you need a bike that can take you further faster, built lightweight and exceptionally powerful, and designed to accommodate your life on the go, look no further. The MiniZag Ultra. Expand your travels. Connect bigger.
Easy, effortless, eco-friendly, every day. This is Alpha, your ultimate e-bike. An ignition for the spark you've been waiting for. Want to be fit? Pedal your way, or twist the throttle to propel yourself forward. Alpha can help you climb any incline. The front and rear guard ensures a clean ride in any weather. A comfortable multi-layered shock-absorbing seat for ultimate comfort. A powerful LED light to illuminate your path and indicators for safe and responsible riding. The Alpha is inspired by the monkey bike from the early 1980s, making it an iconic design to have. 60 minutes is all it takes to give Alpha a full charge. Along with a convenient battery swapping option, we have given the Alpha an unlimited range to make you unstoppable. To make riding safer for you, we've equipped Alpha with dual disc brake system, giving it enough bite to stop within seconds. The Alpha is easy to park. A kickstand lets you park it anywhere you want. The lightweight aluminum frame lets you always be in control. All-terrain tires enable an easy ride through any terrain. Join us on this exciting journey. Back Alpha today.
time.